There are different ways to compare two things or two people, but today we want to have comparison with as or not as. Part 1. We use as plus adjective plus as to say that two things or people are the same in some way. For example, the chair is as expensive as the table. You are as old as me. That means we are the same age. It is very important to know that we say as me, as him, as her, as us, as them, and not as I, as he, as she. For instance, she's as strong as him, but we cannot say she's as strong as he. I'm as fast as them, but we cannot say I'm as fast as they. We use not as to talk about a difference between two things or people. For instance, the 2-star hotel isn't as big as the 4-star hotel. I'm not as clever as her. This means she's cleverer than me. Part 2. We can also use as plus adverb plus as, like as well as. For instance, Jean cooks as well as Tom. In this sentence, I mean Jean and Tom are both good cooks. He couldn't run as quickly as his brother. In this sentence, I mean his brother ran more quickly than him. Part 3. We use as many plus plural noun plus as to say that the numbers of two things are equal. For example, Jane has got as many friends as Mary. We can also use not as many as to say two things are not equal. For example, I don't have as many books as you. We use as much plus uncountable noun plus as to compare two things. Uncountable nouns are words for things that we cannot count, and so they do not have a plural form. For example, money, work, luggage, traffic. For example, Helen earns as much money as Colin. Jack doesn't do as much work as me. They aren't carrying as much luggage as us. I'm waiting for your example in the comment section.